Hey everyone, in today's video we are showing you how to play your Steam games that are already installed or backed up without downloading them again. This is super useful if you're moving to a new PC or reinstalling Windows. So let's head over and follow the steps for that. So if you backed up your game via Steam, you can find the Steam backup folder. So you can head over, go to your file manager. Once you head over there, go to this PC right here, and you can look out for your local disk C or your main drive. Once you open it up, you need to go over and look out for program files into 86 and expand it up. From here, go over and go ahead and look out for Steam, expand it up. From Steam, go to Steam apps and go ahead and expand it up. And from there, go ahead and look out for Common and look out for the folder here. Now, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and once you locate up your backup or your existing game folder, you can add the game folder to Steam. So you can head over and open up Steam for that. And once you open up your Steam, go to Settings, look out for Steam icon in the top left, click on it, and from there, go to Settings. Now from Settings, you need to go to Downloads option right here. And from Downloads, you need to go ahead and look out for Steam Library folders in this option. And just go ahead and find the game and install it. You can even look out for it in your library and go to your download section. And if there is any kind of download available, you can basically click on the install option directly, and Steam will verify the existing files instead of downloading the whole game, and that should do it. And what you can do is you can restore from backup. Once you open up Steam, you can go to backup and restore under your settings. Go ahead and look out for that here, or go to Steam at the top and look out for the option for restore game backup. Click on it, and from there just go ahead and choose the directory, click on browse and select up your folder. You can go to your disk PC, go to your local disk C, and from there go ahead and go to program files, and from there select Steam. From Steam, go ahead and look out for your game and select the folder and click on OK and do so. Right now I do not have any games, so it's not showing. And once you do so, Steam will verify and restore them again. And that's it. Now you can go ahead and play your Steam games without even downloading them again. So don't forget to like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.